Hi Sajid,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Sajid, where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Anantapur, sir.
Okay, and what is your education qualification?
My education is I have completed PGDM in finance, sir.
Okay, from which college?
From Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Management, Hyderabad.
Okay, and what did you learn from SVC during this 2 months training?
During these 2 months, I have learned about global accounting, investment banking operations, and also about ratio analysis, corporate actions, financial statements, and much more, sir. I have also participated in group discussions, regular jam sessions, and also I have learned Excel knowledge.
Okay, good to know that. And share your interview experience.
So recently I got placed in a Wells Fargo, and first one was HR interview, sir. In that they majorly focused on my communication,
Okay,
and the second one was operational round, and in that they majorly asked about investment banking, financial accounting, and also about ratio analysis, and they asked like 15 to 20 questions, and I am able to answer most of the questions.
okay, good to know that. And when you are going to join?
I have joined 2 weeks back, sir.
Already joined.
Yes.
Okay, congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.